In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Venmo to DoorDash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Venmo can be easily connected to DoorDash. It is one of the default payment methods, and you will be able to connect it to any account. So to do this, open DoorDash and tap on Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, you will see details about your account, your name, other information, and what you have to do is access your payment methods. So once you go to your account page, tap on Settings as you can see highlighted here. By going over to the settings, scroll down until you find the account settings category, and in here you will see Payment, Manage Payment Methods, and DoorDash Credits. So choose this option under Account Settings. By going over to Payment, you will see all of the payment methods available, including, of course, the focus of this video, Venmo. So all that you have to do is tap on Venmo on this page. You can potentially add new payment methods when you proceed to checkout as well, but by doing this, you will preemptively add Venmo as a payment method, and you can make orders in the future and it will already be available. So when you tap this, you will be asked to open the Venmo application. So, if needed, redirect onto the application where you will approve this connection, so your Venmo account will be added as a payment method onto DoorDash. And now, when you proceed to checkout after adding items to your cart and you make any order, the Venmo account will appear as a payment method. If you have a Venmo debit card, you can potentially also add it through the standard credit or debit card options. But if you want to link Venmo directly, use this option here. If you don't see Venmo, it could mean that it is not available for your region, but as long as you are in the USA, you should be able to see a list alongside PayPal, Cash App Pay, and various different other payment methods. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Venmo to DoorDash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.